Hi, it's Gerri on the Prairie. It's May 2nd, 2016. I want to show you the wildflowers that are blooming. There are some here at the very edge of the road. They're white. Let's bring those in a little more. They're all along the edge of the road. The sun is out, so they might be a little washed out in color. They've got a yellow center, and they're pure white. They're very small. Also yellow flowers, bright yellow. I do not know what they're called. There's a large patch down here. There are frogs here in the water near me. Here's a little patch of the yellow ones. They're beautiful yellow. Just beautiful. This is Gerri on the Prairie. Thanks for joining me.